Hey everyone, Jay Jackson here with a new video. Today's video features decluttering and cleaning my multi-purpose room. This is just part one because I didn't want to make this video too long for you guys of what is going to transpire in my multi-purpose room. You guys see here I use this room for praying at times. I use it for DIYs. I use it for putting on my makeup. I use it for putting on my wigs. Yeah, I wear wigs, people. And sometimes I do other things in this room. So I have to create a space where I am able to do all those things. And so that's going to take me getting out some things, decluttering some things, cleaning some things, and getting this room in tip-top shape so that it will be what I want to use it for. I forgot to mention, I also use this room as a studio. I edit videos and I create videos in this room as well. Here is a quick view of the room before I make these major changes. As you can see by my closet, I have hidden many things in this closet. I just take things and I just seem to throw them all in there, including my wigs, as you can see right there, and another wig right there. And yes, I have lots of things, so I need to declutter some of this stuff because I can't keep all this stuff in my room and make it work for me. Look at all this stuff. Can you believe it, people? All these things were in my closet. I decided to leave the major pieces in the room. Stay tuned next week for part 2 of the end result of this room. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.